Influence here, and today I'm going to do the screen protector.
Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views, influences interest on YouTube.
But yeah, we're going to do this screen protector. I'm going to take off this screen protector. So we'll see how that goes. And I heard a lot of, I saw a lot of reviews saying that there was no directions to this. To me, it looks pretty straightforward. It could be user error, or it could be just, you know, whoever does it, they might not know what they're doing at all. So maybe that's why I do know what I'm doing a little bit. Oh, they have a QR code for installation guide. So there's that. Maybe they heard the complaints, or maybe, who knows? But you get two, so that's great. Yeah. And this is for your phone, I believe, so you can line it up. Okay. So you get some other things here. You get some auxiliary tools, which I assume are cloths and stuff. I brought my own, so you might want to bring your own, but it does come with them. So that's good, I think, anyway. Installation auxiliary tools. What could that be? Yes, a cloth and wipes and dust collectors. So that's good. I'll use theirs. Probably should have waited to open that, but we shall see. So these other things I don't need. What else does this come with? I think this comes with a screen protector for the front. Oh no, camera. Has a camera bump protector. So it's the top, you know, it's glass all over. You got this thing, which should help you smooth out the things. So that's good. And you get screen protector, which feels very robust. You get two for the front of it too. Yeah, it's tempered glass. So these are the type of screen protectors that break when, you know, something hits it, so your phone doesn't break. But I'm not going to use that. I don't like using screen protectors on the front. Let me check out the QR code. It's actually on the box. I'm going to take off the screen protector that's on here, though, which I know it's unadvisable to do that. And just like that, screen protector's off. It's nothing spectacular, and this screen looks a whole lot better. So now what you do, you take this thing, put your phone in there like this. It should fit perfectly. It does. Now I'm gonna use the alcohol or whatever they had pads. This is alcohol. I'm not comfortable using alcohol on this screen. That's one of the drawbacks. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it'll be fine, but I know that some screens aren't great with alcohol. You can mess up the coatings and things of that nature. So I got some screen stuff that I will use, and I meant to use this cloth because it's probably cleaner than the other cloth, because you gotta make sure it's perfect. The screen is perfect. There we go. Yeah, you gotta make sure the screen is absolutely fingerprint free, and you actually have, oh man, I was like, you actually have something to grip onto. You do, but it's not that grippy. So then you take this. Yeah, you peel it like this. In the middle there, it's sticky. Then you put this here. Put this on here. Put this on here. So it stays tight. So now I'm gonna push this down here. I assume it's right on the crease. I see some air bubbles, but let's see if we can get those out of there. So you're gonna pull this off. I don't know, that's weird. Then you should be able to just throw this thing on here like this. It's got some air bubbles in it. That's not great. And I don't want to press too hard because this screen is more delicate than a normal phone screen. I did see a review that say it was some air bubbles until later. So maybe they will come out later. Then you can move this. Take this off. Oh, okay. Move this down. So now you work out the air bubbles. But basically, I mean, that's basically it. You just get these air bubbles out, get them worked in. The actual screen protector feels good. So, like this air bubble right here, you got to really work this out because it's like you got to get it to the end where it can just pop out the air. Then you pull this off and it should be good. Yeah, it's definitely some air bubbles in there. You can see it. And maybe that's... if it could be particles or something. Man, it is a good screen protector though. Like, if... maybe I'll try the other one. Yeah, if I would have got these air bubbles out better, it probably would have been a good thing. So let me just see how it happens with the fold. So it folds well. Yeah, like this screen protector is great looking, very clear. The air bubbles are bothering me, so we'll see. I'm gonna give it a few days because I did see a review on there that said it had some air bubbles in it, but then it disappeared. I don't know how. Like, I don't know what happens, how they disappear, but if they're gonna disappear, it would be great. But yeah, I think I'm gonna try this for a couple days and see what happens. It seems like a good protector if you can get all the air bubbles out and you do it correctly. Like, it seems good. It has a lot of potential. I love that they include everything here that you need to get it together. But yeah, I may just take it to the spot and be like, I need another one. I do get free replacements, but I just didn't feel like having any downtime. Sometimes they tell you send the phone in and all of that stuff, which I don't. I have a couple other phones, but I don't like sending my phone away unless it's something big. I will send it away for, like, you know, screen broke or something, but with this I try to do it myself. But yeah, I like the feel. Maybe it's just because it's new, but it definitely works. Ain't nothing. All right, so that's it for this. Thanks for watching, and I'll get up with you in another one. Peace.
Ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over, life ain't over. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want it.